A few years ago, my health deteriorated and I had to stop working. I went almost completely blind and couldn't move around like I used to. I started to lose confidence. My son Mackenzie has ADHD. He was behind at school, so we joined a family learning together class where we could both learn new things and develop our skills. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to do it, but they gave me every support. We started with maths and just kept going. It could be hard to keep Mackenzie on track, but as time went on, it got much easier. He's becoming more engaged and more interested. I can see him learning new skills. Now he's able to focus for longer and catching up with his classmates. Learning together was a bonding experience, and the skills I learned helped me with schooling Mackenzie during the pandemic. Now I know I can do things that other parents can do. I have so much more confidence. We made new friends, and most importantly, we had so much fun. You can learn new skills at any age to change your story. If we can do it, so can you.